Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Smart Sidebar features on Vivo phones. So first, before we start, I'm going to show you how you can activate the Smart Sidebar on your phone, on your Vivo phone. First, you need to go to the settings application, and in here you can just scroll down until you find the shortcuts and accessibility. Tap on that and you can just here find the smart sidebar options under the multitasking section. So when you click on that, you'll see how this smart sidebar will look like. So the smart sidebar usually positioned in the side of your screen. You can just swipe inward from the indicator bar on the screen to bring up the smart sidebar. And in here, to enable it, you can just toggle on this one's right here. And here you can adjust the if you want to show recent apps open from the all small windows app panel at the top of the sidebar. You can also enable this by clicking on this toggle just like that. And you can also adjust the opacity of indicator bar when idle. You can go with transparent or opaque, so you can just choose the transparency in here. And let's just go back to the home screen. If you want to see the smart sidebar, you can just swipe inward just like this, and there will be shown these apps that you maybe you just use or you mostly use. If you want to see all of the application, or you want to edit the smart sidebar, you can just click on this arrow and tap on edit, and here you can remove an app or add them. So let's say I want to remove message, and then I'm going to remove Facebook from here, and also notes. So if you want to add them, you can see there's this plus icon at the top of each application icon, so you can just choose which application that you want to add to the smart sidebar. Let's say I want to add CapCut, and then let's add Instagram, and one more. I'm going to add TikTok. Click on the plus icon, and here, as you guys can see, you can add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, apparently you can add more applications to the smart sidebar if you want to, but if you are done editing it, you can just tap on done, and you can just click on anywhere to hide the smart sidebar. So this is how you can use smart sidebar on Vivo phone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, leave a comment, click on a thanks, and subscribe. Bye.